Hello everyone. Today's topic is SDLC, prototyping. Prototyping is about putting something on the screen early, collecting real user feedback, and reducing risk through fast learning. The key idea is not fast delivery of a finished product, but fast iteration to learn and adjust. Let me preview the flow. We'll start with SDLC basics, define the prototyping model, walk through the step-by-step flow with practical tips, compare prototype types, and finish with a concise summary. The essence is a structured life cycle: plan, analyze, design, implement, test, deploy, and maintain. With prototyping, these steps are not strictly linear. You deliberately loop lightweight analysis, design, and thin implementation to learn sooner. It is a user-centered process model that builds a quick mock system from core requirements and improves it via user feedback. The goal is early understanding and early issue discovery. For example, in e-commerce checkout, ship a thin slice, summary, address, and payment selection. Observe where users hesitate and refine from there. First, speed, ship a minimal slice. Second, a tight feedback loop, observe real behavior. Third, requirement clarification, turn words into interactions. Before you start, define the purpose and retirement criteria, what you'll learn, and when you'll discard or promote the prototype. Begin with lean requirement analysis. Extract 2 or 3 core scenarios and narrate the user path. Build an initial prototype, skeleton screens, dummy data, one connected flow. Move to improvement, show it to users, and capture friction points. The signal to watch is behavioral evidence. Click paths, drop-offs, more than positive comments. During review and evaluation, prioritize fitness for work and usability over performance. When you enter detailed development, promote what you've learned into specs, terms, data structures, and error rules. Finally, install and deploy the real product based on validated learning. A practical tip: keep prototypes separate from production, minimal tests and security for speed, but isolate code via branches and folders so it won't leak into the product by accident. Throwaway prototypes validate feasibility or UI direction. Great for de-risking new tech. Plan to discard the code. Evolutionary prototypes grow into the final system. This preserves momentum but risks technical debt. Counter it with periodic quality gates, like a dedicated refactor sprint every 2 iterations. Use it when requirements are unclear, stakeholders are many, or new technology introduces high uncertainty. In highly regulated domains with clear requirements, keep prototyping scope to UI-only demonstrations while doing thorough documentation first. In short, prototyping maximizes learning speed and stakeholder alignment. Build small, learn fast, and promote facts into specs. A strong prototyping practice always balances what to discard and what to keep. Thank you.